Hello again. As you can see here, all the random forest prediction files have been applied and model files are created. So now we have almost all our process streamlined. We got the data, then we applied the models, we got model prediction files for linear regression and random forest, which are PKL format, and the same also for neural network, which are Keras formats. All preliminary work is done, and now what we need is to run our Streamlit application. And now remember that running Streamlit application, we are not doing our regular right click here and run Streamlit. We are doing it from terminal, Streamlit, run. What's our folder? Prediction, modules, app, and Streamlit app UI. And let's see if those are working properly. The page is loading. Now we should see an interface which will display the stock prices, and here should be our menu. Yeah, we can see that. Stock price, price versus the MA100 metric, the MA200 metric, and even our candlestick chart, which shows whether, let's make sure that those are scrollable. Yeah, we can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, we got it all. Volume plot, how many stocks? Oh, some issues in there, but okay. Let's try another stock, Apple. We see that the price data has been populated, and we can see historical price, open high. So basically our charts are based on this data frame. Now let's have it with the prediction models. Let's see what it is for random forest, if it is applied. Original versus predicted price. And model evaluation, MAE, and mean squared error, MSE. And here goes predicted prices. Now, what I would recommend for you to do, each of you, try to log this data, and later on just check versus the actual price, and if the MAE and MSE are applied properly. For the next few videos there will be rather short and not continuous series of videos, but the next big project I am planning is the dashboard to continuously follow up stocks and make sure that I showed a couple of times the files that I have, and what I want to get is to have some kind the dashboard which will look something like this, which will show the prediction by all 6, and 7th is not a model, it's rather a blended one. It is calculated by the formula based on the previous results. You can see here I have like quite a long list of monitoring. I've started it, let's check when, 417, and even earlier, 314, yeah, from February of 2024 I've started doing this prediction model, comparing with the actual price. I'm periodically updating the model, as you can see, like each tab in here or worksheet symbolizes the big change that I went through with the model. Now the next one, I want to get rid of all the Excel format and have this displayed in a dashboard automatically, having code running for each of the models automatically and predicting stock prices. And I want this to be applied for top 100 stocks and top 20 probably ETFs. You can see here I have also an ETF, SPY, Standard. So yeah, we got it. We got random forest working. Let's check also linear regression. We see that this table is also updated. And check for different stocks, like what we can check next. Let's try some Microsofts or Teslas or Meta. Let's try the Meta. See how it will run. Now we have the stock data for Meta. We have the prediction price comparison versus the average of 100 days versus the average of 200 days. We can see that the Meta stock is kind of explodingly growing up, and somehow it seems that we are at the beginning of the new increase. And the original and predicted price, we can see that deviation here is not that different. Model evaluation, model mean squared error 205, which means that's roughly 14 points difference, and these are the prediction values for upcoming range of days up to 1 month. So yeah, this is it. This was the last video of the series. We went through all the modules, and I believe we didn't try neural networks. Oh, something is wrong with neural networks. Okay, but still, random forest and linear regression works great. We will try to understand and anticipate what's going on with neural networks, because Meta NN Keras. Let's check if Meta NN Keras exists. It sure have to exist. Have issues with the formatting, I believe. So yeah, an additional point of investigation. You see how it happens, like we are going over this exercise together. A lot of this is new for me too, and sometimes we are facing together something unexpected. Check for Streamlit format to be in a proper shape. Check if there is a file with extension mentioned here. Yep, it's mentioned and seems to be correct. Okay, and okay, at least we got 2 modules working, and random forest, and both random forest and linear regression are working great. We simply have some file access issue with neural networks, which we will investigate further. And if anything, I will push a fix for neural networks too, so you will have access to the repository in a GitHub. After this video, I am going to clean up data files because they are taking some valuable space, and basically you don't need it because for the time that you will work on it, it will be outdated already. So you can remember the order how to operate. Let's close this. First, we are running get data and having the data folder here updated with the CSV files. Next, we are running codes for these three models to train them and have their model prediction files saved in these folders. And lastly, we are running Streamlit app.py to display what we achieved in the dashboard. Here it is. We achieved a progress. We probably didn't achieve 100% of what was expected, but still, that's a great progress that we made. And keep in touch. We are going soon, probably the beginning of next week, starting from October 7th, with the new series of videos. There will be small videos covering one task at a time. Yeah, this is it for the Streamlit dashboard display for prediction models. Hope you enjoyed the exercise and going through it together. Thanks for your views, comments and ideas, and stay tuned for the updates. Bye bye.